Hello friends, today in this video I'll be sharing my honest reviews on KitchenAid Mill grinder. If you have any queries regarding this video, please drop me a comment below. Stay tuned to my channel as I'm going to be sharing many recipes using the fresh grinded flour with this equipment. So let's get started. So this grinder comes up with the cleaning brush and one manual booklet, as you can see here. And this is how the whole equipment looks like. It can be immersed in water, hence it can't be put into dishwasher or washed by hands. It can only be cleaned with the brush. It comes up with the 12 grinding slots from finer to coarser. To fix the attachment, simply loosen the hub screw and insert the square pint into the hub. And tighten the screw again. And now we will load up the hopper with the wheat grains or any other grain you would like to grind. And one more thing to keep in mind, that don't use any oily grains or nuts to grind in this grinder. And we are going to grind it all the way to the finest setting. It is recommended to keep the speed between 2 to 4. And as you can see, it has started grinding the grains. They also recommend not to use more than 10 cups of grain at a time, as that will overheat the engine. So I would say this mill grinder is perfect for those who follows particular diet and have to grind unusual flour. Then this is the excellent grinder for them. Once you are done, just set the setting to 0. And this is how the flour look like. You can see the consistency, it's pretty fine. And now I'm gonna show you how to make the flatbreads or roti using this flour. I have already shared the video of making roti dough using KitchenAid stand mixer, so I'm not gonna cover it again here in this video. I will share the link in the description box if you are interested in watching that. I really like the texture of roti. You could say that the flour is little bit coarser than the one which we usually get in Indian store. Once it is done, you can unscrew the side screws with the help of back of the brush. And brush it out with the brush. And one more thing to keep in mind, that don't use any oily grains or nuts to grind in this grinder. So these were my reviews on this device. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can drop me the comment below, or you can also catch me on Instagram. I'm surely gonna answer each and every comment. If you like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up to this video, and don't forget to share this video with your families and friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon with the next recipe.